सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर्स नहीं, एवरीडे लाइफस्टाइल भी हेरिटेज है। Sites, monuments, structures, culture, tradition, local practices all collectively translates to heritage. ये तो आपने सुना ही होगा, right? If not, then you must be new to this site. It's fine, even if you are someone who is simply fascinated by culture in general, you are at the right spot, my friend. Hi, my name is Noreen and this is my attempt to let you notice things about heritage which you usually miss. Tangible, intangible, protected, preserved, renovated, restored are certain terms associated with heritage. These are generally used to stage its definitions. ये कुछ ऐसे terms हैं जो कि usually use किए जाते हैं to make us understand heritage. But in between these technicalities, the fascinating bit is rarely talked about. Heritage सिर्फ authoritative नहीं है, ये हम सबका है. Unlike the pre-claimed notion, the evolving everyday heritage belongs to us all, and no one can claim it. रूमी दरवाजा जरूरी है, पर उसको सस्टेन करने के लिए उसके आसपास के एवरीडे हेरिटेज का जिंदा रहना बहुत जरूरी है। इसकी पहचान सिर्फ इसके आर्किटेक्चर से नहीं होती, इसकी पहचान होती है इसके कॉन्टेक्स्ट से। इसके आसपास की गलियां, लोगों का आना जाना, एवरीडे लाइफस्टाइल, ये सब कलेक्टिवली इसको मीनिंग देते हैं। आई बिलीव दैट दिस इवॉल्विंग एवरीडे हेरिटेज इज इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट एज दीज आइकॉनिक स्ट्रक्चर्स, क्योंकि किसी भी जगह की आइडेंटिटी को प्लेस करने के लिए हमें इन दोनों चीज़ों को कलेक्टिवली लेकर चलना बहुत जरूरी है। What I love the most about everyday heritage as a concept is that how beautifully it justifies the soul of the place. It states how heritage is not something that is frozen, it is something that is changing. Heritage is something that is not simply curated, it is something that has been lived. And most importantly, it is something that is felt, not always recognized. Through our platform, we will be talking more about heritage as a lived memory. एक याद, एहसास, lifestyle या everyday chores that we could directly relate to. And what would be a better place to begin this journey with than Lucknow itself? We will try our best to make you understand a different aspect of heritage through our lens. So here we go.